nature, our home, our life. The Philippines' breathtaking landscape, vibrant culture, and resilient people. But beneath its beauty lies a freezing reality. Climate change threatens our future, our livelihoods, and our very existence.
Rising temperature, intense typhoon and devastating flood. The consequences of climate change are undeniable. The Philippines, one of the most vulnerable countries, bear the brunt of this disaster.
Rise by 1.1 degrees Celsius. Sea levels rise, claiming coastal communities. Extreme weather events placing thousands. The science is clear. Human activities exacerbation climate change. Yet, amidst uncertainty, hope emerged. Filipinos known for resilience, adaptability, and determination. Raise to the challenges, innovation solution, community-driven initiatives, and individual action covered to mitigate climate change.
From renewable energy to sustainable practices, we explore stories of transformation. Join us as we journey through the rise of nature. Call to action for a better tomorrow.